Hey everyone, it's Devin from Brookswood PowerWashing. Today we were called to clean this roof. It's full of debris, it's disgusting, there's lots of moss on it. We will be getting rid of the debris and on top of that spraying it to make it look brand new again. I'll show you how we get it done on Brookswood PowerWashing. After messing around off the roof a little bit, cleaning it up, I put my moss killer onto the roof. So the moss is completely dead now. The next step is to rinse the roof off.
We have completed the job, the client, and we are completely happy with the results. The remaining moss on the roof will fall off in time. If you have a roof that needs to be cleaned, give us a call. We'll clean it the right way, soft washing it with gently rinsing it. Call us at 778-227-1113 and we offer a clean guarantee.